Hi, I'm Ernst Ferg. I'm a professor at the Nelson Mandela University, and my research area is batteries, and I'm attending this summit now for the third time running in 3 years. And yeah, I'm very excited with the discussions that have been happening at this summit, particularly yesterday. A lot of industry people spoke, and comparing it to the first day where we had more the government departments speaking, and then comparing and having the debates and a lot of questions that came up, especially in the morning. It was exciting to see the progress over the 3 years. So yeah, I'm very positive with the movement and getting people to talk, and seeing private individuals and corporations to just take the whole electric vehicle initiatives going forward. Good chance to actually meet people that I haven't met before, that are actually working in terms of developing various technologies in their field, like fuel cells and battery development, and just networking with various people and seeing that the technology is moving not just in electric vehicles but in batteries and various applications besides electric vehicles, like standby grid applications. There's a lot of potential that one can actually work with various people that one meets up with at these summits. So yeah, overall very positive, a nice venue. I live close by, so it's very quick to get here, and nice to meet with the various stakeholders that were at this place.